I look the main board. No defective spare parts. Okay, it's okay. Fine, no problem. What?
Route?
Oh, I don't know the password.
Help me about the.
Huh, I can help you because I'm doing this. Go to your, call to your mommy and daddy. The main board is no problem. Then the another power supply, the other power supply is good. I look already. This one is good. I think as possible is a panel or Ticon. So just a minute. Okay, so I fixed the main board and the power supply. So we're back to Ticon. This is a Ticon. This is the way going to funnel. This is the funnel LCD. Yeah, LCD. So I go to check the voltage here and the voltage here. If the voltage is complete, there's is possible the panel is bad. This panel. I try to put masking tape to make sure we have a display to the mirror. Okay, look. I remove this one socket, then I'm going to plug in. How matter I don't know what is going on the display. Okay, so I plug it the 220. Okay, we're gonna look what is the problem. So I removed the one socket, what's called this, ribbon wire. This is the ribbon wire. So I removed the one in the left side. So we look okay. So there have a display. There have a video but no display. So we have a flickering. Look, flickering. Did you see that? Flickering in the two line horizontal, vertical line, and there have a flickering horizontal line. I don't know what this one side is good, so it's better I fix. Oh, what's the matter? It's tough. Mm, okay, I back this one, then I pull out the another one. Okay, so I remove this another ribbon wire, then I put the left side wire, I remove the right side wire, fix. So I try to plug in again. So we're gonna look display. Okay, television is on. Okay, okay, there have a backlight, see that? Okay, so we're gonna see the display. Oh, look, there have a problem of another side. Did you see? Okay, here the problem is the right side. Yan, flickering again. Why, Delilah? So look again. Okay. Oh, look. There's something flickering, then horizontal line. That is bad. Okay. Now there's the backlight. TV is on. Look, there's a light. Yeah, backlight. Okay. Why is the beeping is already toot, toot, toot. There should be something wrong. Something voltage is missing. Get a 30 volts. It's okay. Where is the negative volts? Where is it? Here? Oh yes. The negative volts. Negative 12. So okay, shut down again. They have something bad in funnel. We have a shorted in funnel. So we try to remove again this AC input and remove again. I put I think this the panel is is the problem. So I put already masking tape to show a display of this wild television. Oh, what's funny? Okay, we're gonna look. There have something problem again. Oh, they have a display, but the flickering is there. Maybe the Tikon is problem. This is. I try to remove it.